Alright, today we're just going to do a little practice lock picking, and my subject is, this is brought to us by Maker's Mark, by the way, and my subject is handcuffs, and I'm just going to practice, see how many ways I can open these handcuffs besides using the key. Here's the key. You can see it's just a little protrusion there that lifts a lever, goes in that way, and just lifts a lever and it lets that this part out. So the first way, everybody that likes to see a pair of handcuffs unlocked with a little paper clip, just like that. And I'm going to use a pink paper clip, and I'm just trying to push that little lever out of the way, and it was that easy to do. I'll lock it up again. Let's try something else. Of course, we can do with a lock pick, real easy. Just put it in there and push on that lever. That was a lock pick. It's pretty easy. If you happen to have a nail file, here's a nail file. That'll just go in there pretty easy. That opens it up pretty fast. And of course, a real small screwdriver will do that just as fast. And okay, here is something I really like. It's kind of a scribe. It's really like a big needle. Pretty nice. I think I can get it open with that too. Yep, there it is. And the last thing I'm going to use is something that should be available to just about everybody. It's a toothpick. Just a wooden toothpick. I'm just going to stick it in there and push that. Oh, I broke it. Let's try using the piece that's left over. I'm just going to push it in there lightly. Try to lift that lever up. Still working on it with the toothpick. That toothpick's a little bit fragile. Let's try a new toothpick. I tried to push too hard this time. Okay, there we go with a toothpick. And we got that open. How many ways was that? Let's see. There was toothpick, paper clip, nail file, lock pick, screwdriver, and this little, it's kind of a scribe. Definitely fun to play around with little locks, especially handcuffs. A lot of people have handcuffs like that. That deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.